time is passing at 1% its normal speed.
If we play this right, we could take the whole city.
Fighting for order in the chaos. The men and women of the Hall of Justice.
Peachtree's is the manufacturing base for all the slow-mo in Mega City 1.
You know how often we get a judge up in Peachtree's?
Well, you got one now.
She has control of everything. Levels 1 to 200.
This is Mama. Somewhere in this block are 2 judges.
That's not good.
I want him dead.
We're gonna have to go through him. Rookie, you ready?
Yeah.
You look ready. Judgment time.
Let's finish this.
Mama is not the law. I'm the law. Negotiation's over. The sentence is death.